Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how having a date table helps in creating a rolling average calculation and makes it really quick for us to do it. So let's start. So I'm on the home tab here. I'll just go onto the report tab. So I just wanted to show you the data model. So I've got data for Microsoft stock, and then I've joined it to the date table. So I'll just quickly show the data by going to the data pane, and you can see that the Microsoft stock, the closing price, how it has been and how it has gone over a period of time. So how that has trended. So now what we'll do is we'll create a rolling average of the closing date. So we want it to consider the last year's and the next 2 years or 3 years. So we'll just quickly build it and we'll learn how to do that. So we are on the home tab now in the reporting view, and we quickly click on quick measures, and then you can select any measure that you want, but we are just going to do a rolling average. Excuse me for that. So, and then what we want to do is, so the base value for us in this case would be the closing value. So we'll just drag and drop that, and then now from the calendar date table, because these two tables are joined, we'll just use the date field. And what we will do is, so in the period days, so we say 1 day before and 3 days after. So instead of that, maybe we'll just do it at a yearly level just to see how that is. So we wanted to consider last 1 year and then the next 3 years. And we just wanted, so we'll go and build it at an yearly level. So let's just add that. And I don't want, let's see, so I want an average and not summarization, so it would be average for me. And then I'll just hit add again. So you can see it's created this calculation. It's a really complex calculation, but it's made it really easy for us. So just to calculate the average closing value over a period of years. So let's close this, and then what I'll do is I'll now quickly build let me remove this one, and we'll just build a quick graph or a line chart. So we definitely want the line chart, but we also want the bar. So I'm going to use the date from the date table. So we'll just use that in the y-axis, the x-axis, and I'm just going to use year. Everything else I'm going to remove. And then we will have the average of closing. So you can see, but we want it as a line, so we'll just drag it as a line, and you can see it's a really smooth line. Now what we will do is we will also go to the Microsoft historical data and quickly get the close date. So, and you can see here how it is. So we want the average, and you can see that the line is a lot smoother. So the line doesn't fall, it just follows a smooth line, because we've got a rolling average. Well, there could be fluctuations in the values. Like you can see there's a drop in the value, but the line just stayed steady. And similarly here, where the values have gone up significantly, it has slowly gone up the line as well. Obviously the next 2 years or 3 years, what we have selected as a rolling average does factor in the calculation, but the rolling average you can see is a lot smoother than how it gets depicted as a closing date. Obviously we've also got it as a histogram, so that also plays a role, but you would probably see that this is a very smooth line. But the point here that I wanted to highlight is that because I've got a date dimension, it becomes really easy to calculate a rolling average using the quick calculation, or the quick measure option. So in this video we've essentially covered how to create a rolling average for Microsoft stock based on the closing date. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.